Good day, beautiful soul family, and welcome back to Miracles Beneath the Surface. All the honor and glory and praise goes to the Most High, Yah, our Heavenly Father, in Yeshua's name. This is just a quick thought. I absolutely love my brothers and sisters. And we are so different in so many ways. And I just recently saw a YouTuber that I do watch from time to time, and he was doing I Shot the Sheriff, and he's really into it, and I'm just loving it because I'm loving it because he's like, here I am, and I absolutely love doing this. This makes me happy. I believe in my purpose. I believe in my talent. I believe in my skill sets. And you know what? It's just, the children of God are just that. We believe in ourselves, but that didn't start at self. That started from our Father. Just like you see the wickedness in the world, the lies, the schemes, and all of that nonsense, that's there. But it's just a spin-off of their Father. What do you love to do in your life? What do you believe in yourself? Now, where do we get this from? We get this from our Father, the Most High Yah, the Creator of heaven and earth. You see, He believes in us. And so therefore, He created us. He does not create anything He doesn't believe in. So my encouragement to anyone who is listening to this, keep on strong. Create. They don't want us to have any carbon prints. But you want to know what? Create a footprint that will not go away. Have a beautiful and wonderful day. God bless.